Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3D Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily make a custom color on your LIGHTSYNC for the Logitech G Pro racing wheel. So first, what you guys want to do is basically go over to the Pro. Now here, go to LIGHTSYNC instead of the steering wheel, and here select the effect and create a custom one. Here you guys can customize the brightness, also edit the colors, so if you don't like this one then you guys can change it, and as you guys can see it automatically changes right here. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.